Hey guys, I'm back again with day 19 of Vlogmas. Welcome to Vlogmas day 19. Today is actually Sunday, December 19th, and it's my baby sister's birthday, so happy birthday, T. I stay tuned because I may say sing happy birthday to you. I don't know. You never know because I do crazy things when I have a lack of sleep. You wouldn't think I had a lack of sleep, but I do. I still haven't caught up. So first thing I'm going to do is open up the advent calendars. And the first one, of course, is Cotton Cuts. So here's the Cotton Cuts box. I'm feeling this weird deja vu feeling right now. And here is the envelope for day 19. So let's see what I got for my sister's birthday. If she is watching, she thinks I'm a nutball because I don't think she's watching. A smile is a curve headed in the right direction. That's lovely. And here is our fabric, and it looks like it's another Coriota or Coriota, depending on, you know, how much you really, really respect her. Or, I don't know. I'm going to stop now. I'm just going to call her Coriota because that's her name. Really pretty, really pretty. We're getting a wide variety of fabrics from Cotton Cuts this year, so that's pretty cool. Okay, put this one away, and then we are going to open the Allison Glass sticker in her advent calendar. There it is. So day 19 is right down here. 19. There it is with the little girl on it, jumping rope. Okay. And, okay, it's the Red Cross. Well, if you did like that, maybe. I don't know. Is it like this? No, it is like this. It's a very interesting choice for a sticker, but I like it. Hey, why not? Okay. And then we have our Crimson Tate that we are going to open up. Day 19. Oh, we got a nice purple bag with day 19 on it. Okay, we have 2 Wonder Clips, red. Whoop, 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 whoop. I'll put those in there. And then here's our fabric for today. And I have no idea what this is from at all. I've never seen it. It looks like shark teeth. Yeah, so I'm not sure what it is, but it's lovely. It feels like it would be art gallery fabrics. It's very, very soft. It's very nice. And the solid to go with it is this lovely blue. Very vibrant blue. Both of them. It's really gorgeous. Okay, so that is my couple of fat quarters from Crimson Tate. And, okay, so what I am going to be doing today for Vlogmas is I just received this Liberty Fabric League box. I'm going to open this for you guys, and I just have to let you know that I actually have a couple of Liberty boxes that I haven't opened yet. So sometime this week, I'm going to do a great big opening for the rest of them. Today, I am really, really swamped with a lot of stuff. So I'm just going to open the latest one right now, and then I'll come back and share all the others. Because I'm sure you don't want to miss any of them. I wouldn't if I were you. Okay. Here we go. When you open it up, it looks just like that. And she lists on the back everything that's in the box. I'll put that to the side for a moment. And, okay, I'm going to do the fabric last. And let's see what we have in here. Okay, so we have a Silent Night Herbal Infusion Tea. Very cute. We have 3 spools of Japanese thread. Love. And I am gonna, whenever I get to start up, because I'm really hoping that sometime this year I will be able to start doing a little more cross stitch again. I'm really just been dying to. I'm gonna be using all of these guys, so I'm excited about getting those. Oh my goodness, how did she know? I'm so hungry. And it says espresso, so hold up, because I've never had a Biscoff with a flavor. I mean, it's always just been the cookie. Okay, here we go. Oh, it stuck to me. I'll let you know. I'm sure there must be somebody out there who's had one of these, right? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Well, tastes just like a regular Biscoff cookie. It's delicious. Although, it does have some kind of little flavor to it. I'm going to hit the spot for this moment because I was kind of hungry. All right, I'm so excited because I'm looking down and I see a pair of Tula Pink scissors. They are 4-inch large ring micro tip scissors. Thank you, Julie. Thank you so much. I love these. I love any kind of scissors, actually. Snips are my favorite. These are like perfect right here. So they're probably going to be sitting right here, right by me, just being my partner in cutting. Okay, this is a Soline fabric pencil, and you get extra lead inside. And is this just, because I think that they have different colors of lead. But this looks like it's just a regular one. And it says, lines are easily removed from most fabrics with a special Soline eraser or removed by dabbing with a damp cloth or washing. So like if you're using it on a quilt where you're going to be, you know, passing it through the wash, then it'll wash right off. But if you're using it like on a like wall hanging or something like that, then you should either be able to use the eraser, or you can just dab it with water, or if you need a little bit of soap, just the tiniest little bit, and it'll come right off. Okay. And then finally, well, because before the fabric, the cookie wrapper is sticking to me. We have, oh, I'm so excited. We have a pattern for the modular fabric box, Liberty Edition. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I wish I had time to make stuff like this because I would totally make myself like a whole bunch of them. The fabric requirements. Let's see. Okay, the Liberty exterior, you're going to need a fat 16th, which is 13-inch by 9-inch. For the Liberty lining, another fat 16th. The contrast exterior, you'll need a 12-inch by 10-inch piece. Oh, I see. Okay. And then for the contrast lining, you'll need a fat 1/8, which is 18-inch by 9-inch. For interfacing, you're going to need Shape Flex, which is SF101, a 13-inch by 6.5-inch piece. Fusion Shape, which is 71F, a 12-inch by 20-inch piece. And some accessories you're going to need are clear vinyl, a narrow suede cord, and an eyelet. Oh my gosh. And it's just so cute. I got a little too close there. Sorry, guys. Those look adorable. I would love to make that. Okay, so let's take a look at the fabric, aka the best part. Jellybean, you gonna check it out with me? You're not gonna be able to get into my what? Oh, y'all. Okay, you're putting your booty in everybody's face. He can smell the cookie on my mouth. So he come over and he wants to like see what's in my mouth. Nothing anymore, buddy. And he loves these as well. They play with them. There you go. There you go. Okay, so let's get these open. Here are the packages. And let's see. Oh my god, it feels so wonderful. Okay, here is the first fabric. It is a lovely little toss of flowers. I do like that. And it's a black background. I know it's sort of looking like dark blue or navy, but it is a black background. And oh my goodness, this one looks 3D. Can you tell? Can you tell in the camera? It's like, look how some of these are like faded. So some of them look like they're in the forefront and some look like they're in the background. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. I don't know how they do that. Here's the next one. Oh, I love this one. Fabric number 4. It's like abstract tulips. Jellybean, where are you going, buddy? And oh my goodness. Ooh, look at this one. Can you see the birds? Yeah, there they are. Oh my goodness, look how cute. And this is the last one. Has like sort of a Japanese look. I don't really like that red background. It's just a personal thing though. But the flowers, I really love how they're popping in this one. It's really pretty. I just wish the background color were a little different. Hello, Liberty. Okay, and then the second package is we get 12 of these all together, and I get the fat quarter pack. So it depends, like you can choose what size fabric you want. And here is, so this would be fabric number 7. And I love that. Look at the heart. Oh, the little like birds. And a heart underneath the birds. Okay, I'm gonna stop pointing it out. Oh, I like this one. Look at the colors in it. Very pretty. And here's the next one. And this is different. I mean, like just the color. It's like this gold color, but it's not flashy or anything. It's really nice. I really like this. And this one is number 11. I do like that one. It's like it's hand drawn. And finally, number 12. I don't want to get too close. Very pretty. Okay, so that is my Liberty for this month. So excited. I love getting the Liberty box. I love getting everything. It's just, you know, I need to find more time to open stuff. And I will. I'm getting there. I'm going to find more time to do all of this stuff, which I really love to do. So, yep. I got everything that's in the box and I've shown you everything. So I am so happy that you have decided to spend Vlogmas Day 19 with me for at least 15 minutes or so. And I will see you in the next one, which will be definitely tomorrow, Monday, December 20th. And we're like working our way up to Christmas. So hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.